Hi, I'm Tim, and today we're going to give you some insight into key considerations when it comes to vertical fall protection systems in the wind energy sector. There's no doubt working at height is risky, particularly in the wind energy sector. Workers have to make long climbs, sometimes 30 metres at a time. Access is restricted, and often it involves working in confined space. It's a sector that's very well regulated when it comes to safety. However, the biggest risks really are ensuring the absolute best fall protection system has been specified and that those operating the system are fully trained and competent. When it comes to working on wind turbines, there's no room for error. It's a risky job. You only get one chance to get it right. There are two main areas to focus on. 1. Ease of use and user-friendliness. The best systems are those workers actually use. Those that allow the workers to do their job freely and safely without restrictions. So for example, being able to ascend and descend with minimum intervention of handling the fall protection system. Climbing freely while being confident that you are being protected at the same time. 2. You need to be absolutely certain any system you choose conforms to the latest regulations. All fall protection systems must be tested to certain standards, and those systems must be certified, regularly inspected and fit for purpose for the lifetime of a turbine. Depending on geography and region, there are various different standards to be aware of. For example, in Europe it's EN standards. In the US it's ANSI standards, and Canada has the CSA standards. Whilst all these standards vary, they are all in place to ensure the highest levels of safety are adhered to. So you must make sure that whatever system you choose conforms to the relevant standards. For example, the most recent version of EN 353 Part 1 covers dynamic performance testing, cold condition tests, minimum distance test, fallback test, guide bracket test, sideways falling test and forward leaning angle test. You should be checking certifications and expiry dates of your systems. And in addition to CE marking, vertical systems in the UK will need to carry the UK CA mark from the 1st of January 2023. To make the change as straightforward as possible, the UK has adopted EN standards, in this case EN 353 Part 1. So for the UK market, requirements and test methods remain the same. It's really simple. Safety. These standards test for conditions of use such as the minimum distance test, fallback test, sideways fall, and these are all situations that can easily happen in real life. Older versions of standards may not cover these, so essentially, if systems are not tested to the latest standards, you can't be sure they will arrest a fall. MSA has been providing fall protection systems to major manufacturers in this sector for more than 20 years. We are committed to developing systems to provide the highest levels of safety and confidence for asset owners and operating workers. We make sure our systems adhere to all standards and where possible exceed them to make them future-proof. Our mission is to enable workers to go home safely to their families every single day. And so we focus on developing safety products and systems that enable this to happen. 1. Ease of use. We want people using our systems to be able to get on with their jobs in the knowledge that they are safe. 2. Quality is also important. When it comes to safety, it can't just be about price. It's about making sure you have quality systems that will protect lives every time. 3. Longevity. We expect our systems to last the lifetime of a wind turbine. That's 20 years plus. We all have a responsibility to improve safety. So just remember the key points. Select a product that's fit for purpose. Ensure it conforms to the latest standards. Focus on quality and longevity. If you'd like to know more, get in touch with the MSA team. We'd love to hear from you.